Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to boot into recovery mode on macOS 27. So first of all, let's shut down the MacBook by selecting the Apple menu in the top left corner and selecting shutdown, then confirming our choice and waiting until this device is turned off. After that, we're gonna have to launch our MacBook by holding down the power button. Just keep holding it down even after you see the Apple logo and continue holding it to see the startup options. Once you see the loading startup options message on your screen, you can release the power button and just wait for the boot menu to appear on your screen. Now, in order to get to recovery mode, we have to select options on our screen and tap continue. Then let our device get into the options menu. And this way we will get to macOS recovery and we can do what we need right here. If you want to exit this mode, you have to navigate back to the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select either shutdown to shut your computer off or restart to reboot it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.